Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to turn on private browsing on Safari in your iPhone. For that, firstly, you need to go on your Safari and search for any web application. Here I am opening YouTube. Now at the bottom side at the right, there you can see two screen icon. You need to tap on that. And there you can see the option private at the left side. You can simply tap on that and a private browsing mode will be activated in your Safari. But if you are an iOS 17 user and if you don't see this option, there you can see three-line icon at the middle at the bottom. You can tap on that. And there at the second, you can see this private option. You can simply tap on that and your private browsing mode will be activated. Now Safari won't remember the pages you visited, your search history or your autofill information. Now in order to protect your private browsing mode, you can go to your settings. Now there, scroll down a bit and search for Safari. Now there, if you scroll down a bit, there you will see this option require Face ID to unlock private browsing. Make sure to enable this button. Now after that, you will be requiring your Face ID in order to unlock your private browsing on your Safari. And this is some of the steps on how to turn on private browsing on Safari in your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.